face an interview and you are worried about your general knowledge, knowing that you are not good at it? Alright, so my today's video talk about how to prepare for general knowledge, particularly for interviews. Right. So hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to another video on interview series. And as I have told that today I will be talking about general knowledge. Now first and foremost, let us understand that general knowledge when we prepare for any interview is quite different from the way you prepare general knowledge for any competitive exam. By general knowledge, what I mean to say is general awareness about your surrounding, about the happenings in the world. When you prepare for a competitive exam, there are a lot of factual information that you need to know. You need to know the year, you need to know the name of the person, so on and so forth. However, when you are preparing for interview, factual information are secondary. The primary thing is having knowledge and opinion about the current happenings of the world. Right? So if you are worried about that, you are not able to remember the date or the name of the person, relax. In interview, that is of secondary importance. Primary importance is you should know the issue and you should have an opinion about it. Opinion can only be formed once you know the plus and the minus of any issue that we are talking about. Now, how to identify the issues? Let us start with that. So, when we are talking about general awareness, there are two things that you should focus on. Now, before I come to those two things, what I will like you to understand is that when you are preparing for general knowledge, please define your universe. What I mean by define your universe is that please write down or please have in your mind that these are the things that you will prepare first, and once these things are finished, then you will expand your universe and prepare more about the other things. So what are the things that you should prepare first? What should be the universe during the first few days? The first thing is knowing about your surrounding, knowing about your city, knowing about your state. A very common question in any interview. So for example, if you are from a state of Chhattisgarh, so they may ask you a question on tell us about your state, tell us about tourism in your state, tell us about the Naxalite issue. Now suppose if you have lived in three different cities, say Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore, they may ask you compare the lifestyle of three cities. So this is knowing about your surrounding. The second thing that should come in your universe is the actual happenings, the important events in your nation and of course the world also. So what you should do is look at past 2 months, maximum 3 months, and try to identify what are the important events that has took place in the past 3 months, and then prepare the notes about these events. When I say prepare notes means try to analyze and understand the topic rather than trying to remember the factual things, because that is secondary, that is actually not required. So you should be well aware about any topic that is being discussed in interview. For example, a common question can be, such kind of questions are very common. So right now there is this farmer protest going on against the agriculture bill. So they may ask you, what is your opinion on this farmers protest? Or they may ask you a question on the US election that has taken place just few days back. So these are the things that are important. So coming down and concluding, define your universe. Defining universe means knowing about your city, knowing about your state and past 3 months event. That is the first level of preparation which you should begin right now. Right? So I hope you have watched my other video in which I have talked about how to kickstart your preparation, and that was with regard to personal section. I mean the personal HR kind of questions. This has more to do with the GK part. Right? So bye bye for the day and keep watching my videos.